Ray here. I'm not in the Punisher garage today, I'm at work. Building a log manifold for my turbo setup out of an old LS exhaust manifold. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut it right here. I'm going to put in a piece of 2.5 inch pipe, come up with the T4 flange, down with the V-band. I was going to buy one, but I'm a cheap ass and I decided to do it this way. So. Alright, I got the tubes cut off. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. My OCD kicked in. I'm cutting all these nubs off. I'm going to clean it up, weld up that hole, put a slug in it, weld it up. You'll notice that I bolted it to this piece of 3/8 plate, plus I tack welded it so it doesn't move. Oh, alright, so we cut the ends of it off, and I welded up that hole, put a plug in it. Now I'm going to radius it and fit it to a 2.5 inch piece pipe. Here's the log manifold after I got it off the little jig I made. Don't pay attention to the welds, they suck bad. This thing had a lot of gaps. My fabricator, me, should have been fired off this deal. Anyway, just wanted to show where it is. So here's the log manifold without the turbo on it. That's about how it's going to go. I'm going to cut this at an angle back and weld a plate over it. I guess I won't be running a heater with this setup, but that's about how it's going to go for now. And then the wastegate's going to come off the front like this. Well, here's the log manifold I made on the car. Still got to do the 90 with the V-band back there, but you can see how it's going to go. My intercooler mounts up here, so the tube comes through here. I got one of these T4 stainless steel 90s off of eBay for like 40 bucks, so that's how it's gonna go. I like it. Everything's packaged real nice. I can have my power steering. Fitment issues is way better than there was before, so well, that's it on this one. I'll probably make another video of building the crossover pipe underneath the car, not sure, but that's it on this video for now. We're gonna get back to work on the NA exhaust, I think, because if I do manage to make it to 500, I got to run NA because that's what I said I'd do. So anyway, that's it for tonight. That's it for this project for now. You guys have a good night. Please subscribe, share the videos. Thank you.